Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, we'll install the openjdk into our system. Now check the version with the following command. Use the following command to create a system group named WildFly for better security management. Next, add a dedicated system user with the following command. Let's move to the temporary directory to load setup files. Use the following command to grab the latest WildFly directory from GitHub. Once downloaded, extract the archive. Now move to the extracted folder with the next command. Change the ownership of the folder to all WildFly user. Create a configuration directory with the next command. Now copy the default system script provided by WildFly. Don't forget to make the script executable with the next command. Now reload the system manager, and finally we enable and start the services so WildFly runs automatic launch boot. To create the admin account, run the following command. Choose the management user and set your username and password. To access landing page remotely, change the bin address to the following. Also, we need to modify the launch script to bind the management console to all network interfaces. Use the next command. Add the bmanagement flag here to make sure the admin console is accessible from your browser. Finally, restart the services to apply all changes. Now go into your browser and use your server IP address with the next port. You will get the admin account. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.